it's Drew Bentley here with Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the song Shooting Star by Bad Company, and we're going to run it through the CAGED system. This is a great exercise to take a song that's usually played with open chords and play it through the CAGED system. This opens up a whole world of possibilities. But first, thank you so much for checking out the video. So what we're doing is playing a song where the verse is usually A, E, D, and A. So it's just these three open chords normally. And we're going to run that through the CAGED system. So what this does for you is enables you to be able to play the same song up the entire guitar neck. This is great for situations if you find yourself in a band with larger ensembles and you want to play smaller chord voicings, or if you just want to make your guitar playing more interesting and play chords in different places. So what I'm doing is playing the A chord first, and then E, and then D, and then I'm finding the next voicing in the CAGED system of the guitar neck. Now, if you haven't learned the CAGED system yet, there's a bunch of lessons on this channel that you can take a look at to learn how this works. So if this is A and an A form, the next form is going to be A and a G form, and A and an E, and A and a D, and A and a C. So what I'm doing is playing the A and the A form first, and then E, and then D, and then I'm jumping up to the A and the G form, because it's the next A form in line. So A to here. Then I'm going to play A and E and D as they exist in their next perspective voicings. Go up to A. So let's go through these quickly. Here's A and an A form, A and a G, A and an E, A and a D, A and a C. Okay. Here's E and an E form, E and a D form, E and a C form, E and an A form, E and a G form. Here's D and a D form, D and a C form, D and an A form, D and a G form, D and an E form. So A, E, D, and jump up to A. 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 And then I went E, Now we're going to go backwards. A, E, D, A, E, D, A. Okay, so here's everything. Okay, so we can do this with any song that has open chords. You can take them and run them up the entire guitar neck, and this will help you in situations where you want to create your own guitar hooks, or if you're in a band format where you have a larger ensemble and you want to be smaller and not play with so much space being taken up by playing open chords. There's lots of reasons to learn the CAGED system. If you don't know all the voicings that I played there, take a look at some of the other videos on the channel. I go through different options with the G form and the C form, etc. With the string groupings, you can have different options. So hope you enjoy practicing this and then choose a different song. I'll put another song on the channel here really soon and we'll do the same exercise again. Okay, well thank you so much for checking out the video. I can't wait to see you at the next lesson.